What's up, guys? I literally just wasted 13 seconds of this video. What's up, guys? In case you haven't noticed, it's nighttime. I know you guys wouldn't notice, but it's nighttime. Beautiful night. And today, people versus nature fails. So, interesting. Interesting indeed. We are gonna watch this, people versus nature fails, and we're gonna see what this is all about. Mind you, this is a try not to laugh. In case you haven't read the title, try not to laugh. Let's go.
Fox 5, and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Oh, get it!
Oh.
Oh, she's gone.
Is it just me, or did I see a couple that tried to be romantic? They tried to be romantic at the start, and then the wave just ruined their moment. He's like, that must have been embarrassed. Caught on camera for okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yawn.
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, Tarzan, bye-bye.
Yes, I laughed, guys. Yes, I laughed. It was a little giggle. It was a little giggle. Okay, deal with it.
Oh! No, was on camera. Yeah, one more time. On the hole.
Why make it worse? How childish is this? This has to be a 10-year-old kid or something. Like, you cannot tell me an adult is this childish. You cannot tell me.
Holy crap.
Are those snowballs or those hails? Or whatever it's called, hails or hazels or whatever. Are those like snowballs that are just falling down from the sky? Is that actual snow that is just huge? I'm curious because that looks dangerous.
Oh, just busted my window. Holy crap. Oh my god.
Oh my word! Did you see that?
I saw it.
Did you just see that?
I saw it, guy.
Heavenly Father, please help us. Please help us to be safe.
Bro. Imagine going through that, bro. Imagine, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that looks epic. Don't know why I'm saying this, but I kind of wanna go through that, like, fire right there, and you just got to drive. That looks fun too. That looks epic. That I wouldn't say fun. It just looks epic or fun. Fun. It looks fun. I don't know. I don't know. In my head, cool just popped up. Ooh. I think I've seen this before. What's up with the cracked windows, bro? What's up with the cracked windows? These windows are scaring me, man.
Oh, she's still got the camera. There's a bigger one coming. Oh my god. Sorry, come on. Oh my gosh. The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof. Everywhere. They are the size of baseballs. Holy
Bomber clock, yeah, boy, bomber clock, bomber clock, yeah, my God, bomber clock. That's literally how he was talking. No offense to the language, okay? I'm not trying to make fun of it, but it just sounds funny, okay? That sounded even more disrespectful, but come on, guys, you cannot tell me this isn't funny. Guys, the video here. Guys, that was very done. I'm in the video here. That's actually the funniest video that I've watched in my life. I pretty much funniest, but that was. Anyways, guys, take care and peace. I've obviously failed this video. I need to win. I need to not laugh. Anyways, guys, take care, peace.